Today, we talk different tools. Check it out. Rug Tufting Tutorial Review. Learn from KRAMIS experts. Are you interested in rug making? Want to learn professional tufting? The KRAMIS Rug Tufting tutorial might be just what you're looking for. This course offers a deep dive into the world of hand-tufted rugs. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. The tutorial is all about professional tufting. It covers the entire rug production process from start to finish. You'll learn how to make beautiful hand-tufted rugs step by step. The course is broken down into 10 lessons. Each lesson focuses on a different part of rug making. What makes this course special? It's taught by KRAMIS, a well-known name in the rug industry. They share techniques they've kept secret for 40 years. The lessons are mainly video tutorials. They show the actual rug making process with very few cuts. This lets you see every detail of the craft education. Even if you don't speak English, you can follow along. The course calls this the international language of tufting. One big plus of this tufting course is its focus on professional rug production. You're not just learning the basics, you're getting in-depth knowledge about hand-tufted rug techniques. This could be great for your tufting career development. The course covers all aspects of rug making. You'll learn about tufting materials and tools. The rug design process is explained in detail. You'll see professional rug finishing techniques. As you progress through the tufting lessons, you'll improve your skills. The course shows you the entire rug making workflow. This helps you understand rug production methods better. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, you'll find value in this course. At the end of the course, you get a professional tufter certification. This shows you've completed the KRAMIS rug making course. It's a nice addition to your textile art training. The course is available through a member area on their website. Once you buy it, you have unlimited access to all the video courses. This means you can review the rug production steps as often as you need. Is it worth the investment? The course comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. This gives you time to try it out and see if it meets your needs. It's a low-risk way to start your journey in professional rug production. The KRAMIS Rug Tufting tutorial offers comprehensive craft education. It's a chance to learn from experts in the field. You'll gain valuable tufting skills and insider knowledge. If you're serious about rug making, this course could be a great choice. Remember though, that like any skill, rug tufting takes practice. The course gives you the knowledge, but you'll need to put in the work. With time and effort, you could become skilled in this fascinating form of textile craftsmanship. So if you're ready to dive into the world of professional tufting, give this course a look. It might just be the start of an exciting new hobby or career in rug production.